I'll invite you to close your eyes, uncross your arms and legs, and ground your feet to the floor. Feel the weight of your body where you are. Now we're going to take 3 deep breaths. Take 1 deep breath for all of your ancestors. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Now 1 for your mother and father. In and out. Now 1 for you. Inhale and exhale. Now see your mother standing in front of you. Even if you had a difficult relationship with her, feel her presence. Notice any emotions that bubble up and acknowledge them. Thank them for showing you the path to healing. Now focus on your mother's presence. See her completely, all of her virtues, her dreams, failings, disappointments, successes, and challenges. Take her in just as she is. And thank her for bringing you into this world. Now see her transition to standing behind your left shoulder. Supporting you. Feel the warmth of her hand close to your heart. Sit in that for a moment. Now see your father standing in front of you. Even if you had a difficult relationship with him, or you didn't know him, feel his presence. Notice any emotions that bubble up and acknowledge them. Thank them for showing you the path to healing. Now focus on your Father's presence. See Him completely for all of His virtues, dreams, failings, disappointments, successes, and challenges. Take Him in just as He is. Thank Him for giving you life. See Him transition to standing behind your right shoulder, giving you direction. Now step into your power. Sit in this feeling for a moment. Now supported by both of your parents, step into your full potential. Drive into the magnitude of the complete you. Feel the connection to the bountiful life source, cascading from all the generations before you, supporting your intuition, instincts, knowledge, and success. Sit in this moment. Become familiar with the feeling of generations supporting you completely. Breathe it in and out. Take this feeling with you, fully integrated with your core. Feel it throughout your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and sit in this feeling for a moment. And when you're ready, come back to the space.